Okay, here's a good question for figuring out what's counted and not counted in GDP. It's from the macro exam 2007, question 3. The question gives you a list of 4 different things, and you have to figure out is it counted or not counted, and why or why not. There's a total of 8 points because each one of these is worth 2. The first example is a used textbook. This is not counted. Things that are used do not count toward GDP. We'll only look at the final goods produced in a given year. So it doesn't matter how many times people buy or resell used products online or anywhere else. So used goods were counted in the GDP in the year they were made, not in the year that they're sold later on. How about rent earned this year, but from a building that was made many years ago? This is counted. Now you know if the building was sold, then it wouldn't count towards GDP because that would be a used good. But since this is not being sold, it's just being rented, that is a service provided. And goods and services are part of GDP. So rent is a final service provided this year, counts towards this year's GDP. Now how about commission for a stockbroker? Now teachers tell their students that stocks don't count, and that's true. Stocks in the stock market don't count towards GDP. It's not counted because nothing was produced, it's just a financial transaction. But this is not talking about stocks, it's talking about commission to a stockbroker. So this is counted. The stockbroker is helping to figure out what stocks to buy, which ones not to buy, and that's a service that's counted towards GDP. All right, how about for the last one? A car produced in South Korea, but the firm that produced it is completely owned by United States citizens. That is not counted. The GDP only counts goods and services that are produced inside the country's borders. So each one of these is worth 2 points. Add it all up for 8 points. Go ahead and see how you did. Until next time.